Dearly beloved, we are gathered today, this beautiful day, in this beautiful sanctuary, to witness and to celebrate the joining together of Kenneth and Leon in the bonds of holy matrimony. And also, in a special way, to give honor and glory to our Lord Jesus Christ. In God's great love and wisdom, He instituted the first home, and there is no human relationship that can compare to that of husband and wife. That is why we stand with awe and reverence as we come together in the sight of God.
Our day is finally here, standing before God and our families. I'm grateful for the choices we've made to bond our love together forever. These are my vows to you, Leon. Love is a feeling of the heart and a conscious decision of the mind. To embrace love, I will make the right decisions each and every day. To be patient with you, to cherish you, to respect your mind, your body, your wishes, and your desires. I vow to be faithful to you and you alone. I promise as your husband to continue to work hard, to support you, but to always make our family the riches of my life. I vow to be a loyal and devoted father and a role model to our children, embracing their strengths and weaknesses. I also vow to be supportive of your career and your goals, being that strength you need to grow. I promise to be that positive spark of energy, filled with hope and laughter, to lift you from the holes of life's sorrows. The foundation of my love and kindness to you will not be deterred by sickness. It will not be strained by finances, and I will never leave you in bad times. Our love will lift us and restore our faith and hope in our Lord Jesus Christ. For better or worse, I will always be by your side. Even when we are parted by death, we will meet again at the gates of heaven. Leon, God has blessed us with an everlasting love, and I will love you forever. You are my eternal love.
If I could be honest, here in this moment, I've been so nervous to stand here with you. They're all here for us, and I feel their aura, but just for a moment I'll pretend it's just you.
You sneaked your way into my heart through subtle advices and conversations. At any hour I needed you, you were my friend before you were my partner. And that's what makes our love so unique. Because we've seen the worst and yet the best in one another. And through God, we defied all odds. And here we are marrying each other. I, Leanne McGann Marie Chen, take you, Kenneth Neil Timmel, to be my everything, my soul, my heartbeat, my protector, my husband and father to my children. I promise to love and cherish you unconditionally without judgment, to listen to you when you just want to vent, to be patient and understanding in times you cannot bear. I vow to be open and honest about whatever is on my mind, to always be right there beside you, every morning we wake up, every adventure we take on, in times of hardship and happiness. I vow to stick by you no matter what, to put our love in God's hands and have faith that He will guide us.
I refuse to grow older.
I promise to support you with every decision and advise you when you need my help. Most of all, I vow to be nothing less than your wife, your best friend, the best mother and homemaker to you and our children. I vow to grow old with you and take care of you through sickness and in health, or rich or poor. I vow to give you all that I am till death do us part, and even then till eternity. I love you so much, Neil. And I am so grateful to you, for you have shown me how to love, respect, and forgive. You take me as I am, and I take you as you are.
Only at a glance, only you know the man that I am beyond the surface.
Alvin and Rosemary, you have carefully and lovingly provided for Leon over these years. You have provided for her wisely and compassionately all of her life. And with loving care, you have prepared her for this step of marriage. Blessed indeed is the woman who has loving and caring parents. Alvin and Rosemary, do you give permission for the joining together of Leon and Kenneth?
We do.
Do you joyfully and faithfully pledge your prayers to them in this marriage?
We do.
Will you receive Kenneth as your very own son and pledge to love him as you do Leon?
We do.
Thank you. Maxwell and Winsome, do you give your approval and blessing to Kenneth and Leon through your faithful love and dedication? Do you now receive Leon as your very own daughter and pledge your love and devotion to her as she joins your family circle?
We do.
Thank you. You may both be seated or all be seated.
You say, as a tear rolls down your face, I belong to you.
Do you, Kenneth, give this ring to Leon as a token of your love for her?
I do.
Leon, will you wear this ring as evidence of your love for Kenneth?
I will.
Kenneth, please repeat after me. With this ring,
With this ring,
I thee wed,
I thee wed,
as it is a token
as it is a token
of my unending love for you.
of my unending love for you.
Do you, Leon, give this ring to Kenneth as a token of your love for him?
I do.
Kenneth, will you wear this ring as evidence of your love for Leon?
I will.
Leon, please repeat after me. With this ring,
This ring,
I thee wed,
I thee wed,
as it is a token
as it is a token
of my unending love for you.
my unending love for you.
You both have now pledged your lives to each other. By the powers invested in me as a marriage officer in the island of Jamaica, I now pronounce them husband and wife. What God has joined together, let no man put asunder. Kenneth, you may now kiss your wife as long as you want, and I will get out of the way.
Think we should do something.
That's it? More to come later. All right, please stand for Mr. and Mrs. Kenneth Timal.
Telling everybody you're mine and I like it.
Isn't she amazing? I sat there and it is so obvious the reason why I love her so much, and I would do anything in this world for you, Leon.
It's been another perfect day with ya. Wanna lay
pray that in this new chapter you'll continue to protect each other, always trust each other, always have hope in each other, and to ensure that your love always perseveres.
I just want to wish you both a lifetime of happiness, and remember, put God first in everything you do, and your blessings will be in abundance. I'm proud of you, little bro. This is a very big step. Keep raising the bar higher and higher. I love you.
We should rush and do something dumb. We should just say love everyone and walk hand in hand to the sun.
From ever since, he has always been Prince Charming, but I guess he was just waiting on his princess to come along, who is now my beautiful sister-in-law, Leanne. Give it up for Leanne for me, give it up for Leanne.
Maybe it's intuition.
Chef Lily, I present to you. Yes, and they say a way to a man's heart. It's through his belly, and we all know he loving food. So that was an easy catch, right, Leanne?
I know that it might sound more than a little crazy, but I believe I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my life. There's just no rhyme or reason, only the sense of completion. And in your eyes I see the missing pieces. Searching for, I think I found my way home. I know that it might sound more than a little crazy, but I believe I knew I loved you before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved you before I met you. I have been waiting all my
Leanne will definitely agree with me that Neil, you're just Superman. I'm really amazed watching you at times. And I mean, look at this lovely wedding, such a beautiful night. And even better, such a beautiful couple. They look so nice together. And who to tell? He's probably thinking about Kenneth Jr. right now.
before I met you. I think I dreamed you into life. I knew I loved
Leanne and I will get into a little footwork and kick the dance floor off. So please join us when we call you out to celebrate our love forever. Thank you. Yeah, so thanks to everyone for coming out tonight. We have persons visiting from near, far, persons who traveled hours, connecting flights, train. Some probably even took a ship to get here. But we really appreciate friends. I won't even call anybody here friends. You're all here because you're family.